Hello guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to implement our model. So our calculations and all those things are gonna start to work. So the model is the layer of the code that basically what it does is responsible for doing all the logic. And so it's gonna be responsible to do all the maths calculations in this case. Our model will evaluate the maths expressions introduced by your users, and since the model needs to handle errors, we're going to define a global constant. And again, guessing you already know this, considering that you probably have some basic knowledge about Python. We're just going to create a variable there called an error message, and that's going to be error. And all we need to do is that there's going to be a message that the user will see if they introduce an invalid expression, and our model is going to be a single function. So we're just going to make a new one right here. Right, okay. So define evaluate expression, and then expression is going to be, and then in there we're going to try to get the result, which is going to equal to string when we evaluate the expression, and then our dictionary, and then another dictionary. So that's just a really basic and really simple try use case. And now the except, as you all know, we need the except, and then exception result equals to error message, and we're going to return whatever result is. Right, okay. So here we use the eval keyword to evaluate a string as an expression, and if this is successful, then you'll return the result. Otherwise, you'll return the error message. And we're going to note that this function isn't perfect, right? There's a couple of issues. First of all, the try and block, then an except block doesn't actually catch any specific exception, which is not the best practice, especially when you're using a programming language like Python. And then the other one is that the function is based on the use of eval, which is not great. So the general advice is to only just use eval on trusted input, because eval can lead to some security issues, and that's really bad. So you can use it for now, it's okay, but in future remember to not use eval. Times out by 65. Nothing happened. Not yet, anyways. Because we still need to finish adding our controller and finishing all off. However, this was just adding the model in. So in the next video, we'll finish completing our controller, and then our calculator will be ready to go. So I'll see you